SB19 is everywhere in Japan. Yan na ang naging pahayag ng isang nga pong update mula sa P-pop Arise. SB19 is officially everywhere in Japan. Travel vlogger Marvin Samako proved it when he caught the faint sound of SB19's dam playing in a fast food restaurant in Hokkaido and even recorded it for fans. Another follower said they heard Moonlight randomly in Sapporo store. Is Filipino pop taking over the streets? The rise of SB19 in Japan isn't just background music. It's a full-on invasion. They sold out SEP, Haneda in Tokyo during their Simula at Wakas World Tour in September 2025, with the EP hitting the Billboard Japan Top Album Sale chart. Mid-September, they held a CD signing at Tower Records Shibuya, showing how much Japanese 18 loved them. Even solo Ken Philip made waves with his Seven Sins album in September 2024, from fast food restaurants to sold-out arenas. SB19 is proving Filipino talent knows no borders. Ibang update naman, ibinahagi ng mga fans ng SB19 mula kay Nicole Jaxdu ang nasabi nga pong billboard na nakita niya ng mga bano ng kanilang nga pong new endorsement na CDO, Idol Hotdog. Sa caption, sinabi niyang may happy heart nang nakita ko to. Tala, nagpasalamat ang Ninang and Ninong Pure Gold sa SB19 dahil dumalo sila sa nasabi nga pong Pure Gold LNY 2026. Sa Pure Gold, always panalo, present po sila doon. At mula sa naging caption ni Neil Patrick Montes, yung literal na nasa harapan mo na sila, tapos nanigas ka. Nga ni Neil ang nasabing photo ng SB19 isa-isa sa kanyang social media page. Ito SB19. So, yon napaka-busy talaga ng SB19 sa kanilang schedule. Kung hindi man sila nasa guesting, for sure, effort naman sila sa rehearsal ng kanilang nga pong nalalapit na konsyerto. Sabi naman ng isa, maninigas ka talaga kapag kaharap mo na silang 5. Anyway, may video nga na ibinahagi itong nag-post at sa video makikita na grabe ang mga tao, nagtitilian at sobrang happy na unexpected nakita nila ang SB19. At yan ang ating Showbiz Snap update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching Showbiz Snap.